Hey everybody, it is me, LPS Love, like always, and this is my best friend. She can just say her name in the camera.
Toriel.
And before we start this video, before I tell you what it's about, and she's going to show you a couple things that her friends gave her.
Why'd you do that?
Couple LPS that her friends gave her. This custom, it's supposed to be Bonnie.
Toy Bonnie.
Toy Bonnie.
And apparently
The magnet.
Funtime Foxy.
It looks like Mingle to me. It has a magnet. It looks like Mingle to me, but I guess it's Funtime Foxy.
It is
And
Funtime
gave her
like
slime.
freaking.
They basically scammed her with the slime she bought. Scammed her.
Like, dude. Alright.
Freaking scammed her. But
My
guess what
slime.
my video is basically about?
My slime was supposed to be
Not exactly.
like this.
I won this, dude. 3 pounds of slime. Super stretchy. It's blue.
That size, not really like that, but like right here. Like
No, it's actually this high.
yeah.
This high.
Take it out.
This high. And I'm going to show you guys. Guess what? It's awesome, freaking awesome. Super stretchy, and it says no glue needed.
What I just show?
It says,
Hey.
Wait, let me show them something.
Do you know my I'm Toriel?
Yeah,
You know my name's Toriel?
Yeah,
Oh my
Toriel.
god. Undertale.
And it says ready made, no glue added. So that's already. How do you freaking open this thing? Look at this, guys. Also, shout out to Corey Kinchin.
Ow!
Ow. Sorry, we're getting to a lot of fights. Today's my birthday, guys. I am turning freaking 12 years old. Turning 12 years old. Her birthday is coming May 18th, and she'll be turning. Aren't you turning 11? 12?
I don't really know. I don't even know.
She's turning 12.
Oh.
Look at that! Dang, boy.
Big.
This is freaking 3 pounds, and this is the container. If you can see, it's actually the container. It has eyeballs. It's Ian. Oh my God, it's Ian's color. I just noticed that. It's freaking Ian's color.
You know Ian's real name's Tyler?
I know it's Tyler, but I call him Ian. Look at this, guys. Okay, guys, this is freaking awesome. This is freaking. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Squeezing it. Shove it to the camera.
Ew.
Pretty.
Ew! Look at this.
Freaking awesome, dude. Freaking awesome.
It's fun.
Put it across my arm. Guys, look at this. Look at this in person. Look at
You hit your
Look at the
arm.
goodness.
Ew, Lasagna got my slime.
And let's show her sign. It's supposed to be like this. Her sign's supposed to be like this.
I
Supposed to
got
be 3 pounds, but she got scammed to 1 centimeter of slime. Like, that's kind of retarded.
It's 1 centimeter. This is like 4. This is like 4 inches. Freaking slime.
My slime is beautiful. It doesn't need to be beaten.
Slime is not sexy at all. Bite me, I swear to God.
Okay, guys. Well, this video is almost over. Like always, my videos go quick. I don't know why.
Oh.
Today, there is no Dang, I left a mark when I bit.
Don't!
I left them. God dang. Well, guys, that is the end of today's video. I'm sorry I have not been making
Hey,
videos.
our next video should be what's in the slime?
Give me my things. Just give me this. Just give it to me.
Look back at the case.
So, guys, look at this.
Why can I never touch it?
Can I play on my slime, please?
Oh well, you jerk. I'm getting green.
This slime fell in her sleep. I'm not taking that. You can have that.
I deserve it.
Well, guys, I'm gonna put it away.
I deserve it. I deserve this little thing.
Guys, that is the end of our video. I'm so sorry. I will see you guys on our next video. It will be an LPS video. I am out.
LPS slime.
LPS love